Hello friends, I am not used to in the recordings. I am doing it first time. Actually, I was facing one of the problem and I am trying to find out the solution. Finally, I got the solution. So I think I should share the solution to everyone. So what is the problem exactly? What happened in the past? I have rolled back some of my changes, right? And now I needed to implement it again, but I forgot what to change. And but yes, I knew that what if I commit name. So my commit name was a trace log. So first of all, what I am doing, I will create a new branch. Just right click on that develop branch and click a new local branch from here, and I will name it trace log implementation, right? And click on create. It will create a new local branch, and now I'll find out my commit. So my commit name is trace log. I'll filter it out. This was my commit which I did change in past, and now I need to implement it now. So I just right click on it and click on the cherry pick. This is really good feature. Cherry pick. It's automatically implement this commit in my checkout batch trace log implementation. You can check here. This is already committed and one changes is there. If you want to check what code has changed, just click on this and you can check this debug convert it to trace. It means my all code are implemented. These two files are changed successfully. Application data log, application logs, and all changes are implemented very easily. This is a very quick step. Maybe this can help to you also. And if you want to raise the PR for here, you can also raise the PR. Just right click on it. Okay, thank you.